Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to close your Lazypay account. To close your Lazypay account, you must ensure you have cleared all outstanding dues on your Lazypay account. You cannot close the account if you have pending payments. Then, if you don't have pending payments, you can access the Lazypay needs help section on their website or app. Look for options related to account closure or detection. You might find an option to submit an account deletion request, potentially requiring you to select a reason and verify with an OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Alternatively, and as confirmed by Lazypay support information, you can send an email from a registered email address to wecare@lazypay in explicitly stating your request to close your Lazypay account. So include relevant account details in the email to help them identify your account, such as your registered mobile number. Lazypay support team will process your request. Account closure is subject to their internal procedures and timelines after all dues are cleared. Hope you found this video helpful.